Oh no, you want some fish? You want some big fish? Oh yeah? Oh. You cannot eat it, baby. You cannot eat it. You want some fish? You want to eat it? You want the whole fish by yourself? Look at how big it is. Look. It's as big as you are. Tom wanna eat some fish. You? Why are you licking me? What do you want? You want some food? What do Tom want? What is it? What? Why you say something? Look, baby, you want something? Shh. Tom. Tom, Tom. Tom, Tom. Hello. Let me see. Tom got a big lips. He got stung by bee. Let me see your lips. Ew, look at it. Ew, ew, ew. Ew, Tom, what is that? You know you cannot have it. You know you're not going to have the fish. It's not for you. Fish is not for you. You have to cook it. Don't you have to cook fish? You want to eat raw? You want to eat raw fish? He's smelling it. He must be wonder what it is. Oh no. Ew. It's already dead, Tom. It's already dead.